So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to come on and show you guys the bags that I showed you on my live, as well as the previous video that I showed you that I completed these little cosmetic bags. So I wanted to show you kind of what my final, what I decided to do with all of the different cosmetic bags. Again, I told you I had 6 of them. I have 5 right here on this table. I have one more that I'm going to do, but I think I'm going to do it with a throw. And I've got to go in my attic to get it, but it is late at night. It's about 11:30 midnight. So I'm not going up there tonight. So I wanted to just show you what I'm going to do, and I'll probably show you the throw concept, when I do my final look in the short. So, this is the one that I did on the video on my live, a couple days ago. So that's that one. Next I did a couple of small ones, and then, kind of, I ain't gonna say small, maybe like medium size, and then larger, to hit a couple different price points. Okay. Because of course this one is going to be a little more expensive because it's got a robe. This one has a robe. So I did 3 with a robe. I'm going to do 1 with a throw. And then I did 1 with slippers. So let's go through them. So of course this one has the robe in it. It has slippers in it as well, with the little teddy bear, the brush, and the candy. This one right here has the little cosmetic bag set with the inspirational journal and the bear. I put a pair of the fuzzy slippers. I don't remember where I got those from. And some of the candy, heart candy. In the next one right here, I put the robe in here, as well as another pair of slippers that came from Walgreens to match. As you can see, that matches that color perfectly. And then I got one of the little sleep mask. Y'all, look at that color. I love that, in the little diamond embellishment on there. So I have the robe, the slippers, the face mask, the cosmetic bag with all of the accessories, and the journal, as well as the brush, some candy, and a candle in this one. So I think that one is pretty action-packed. Very nice gift. Next I have here is another one of the cosmetic bags with some of the fuzzy slippers in it. I have some fuzzy socks in the front, as well as the little teddy bear. And I put one of the bonnets in there. I thought that matched the concept very well. And then some bath salt, as well as a some fuzzy socks cupcake. So, and the candy. So anyway, I think that turned out really cute. Y'all tell me what you think. And last but certainly not least, I have another one of the robe concepts with the brush and the cosmetic bag. Y'all, I found one of these little mirrors. I just found them today. You guys are just getting them in my area. So I did get me a few of them, as well as the little candle. Y'all, that candle set came from the Dollar Tree. I think they are so nice. I used it there as well as there, as you can see. I like the different colors. As you can look at that design on there. Y'all, I love those candles. But anyway, so those are the different concepts that I've done so far. So I have 5 right here. And then I'm going to do 1 more with a throw. And then I will be done with these cosmetic bags and on to the next thing. So anyway, I just wanted to come on and show you guys what I decided to do with these cosmetic bags. I think I like every one of them, of course. I think they turned out really nice. So very good. And as you can see on the front of the buckets, I put my little hearts on there, my little clings. I'm loving using these clings, you guys. It just makes a very simple yet elegant way to kind of upscale these little plastic buckets and not leave them plain, right? So yeah, so I'm loving it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if nobody has told you today, you are loved, you are enough, and we are all treasures in our daddy's treasure chest. Thanks, you guys. See you guys on the next video. Bye.